Single bar divergence. Let's take a look at all the single bar divergent setups today. This is when the delta is negative, but the candle is an up candle, or the delta is positive, and the candle is a down candle. It's a new feature on the Ultimate Delta indicator. It's a free upgrade if you already own the indicator. If you're interested in learning more, there are links in the description. So I'm personally only tracking this during the first hour of the New York Open, which is when I trade from 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. I don't look for these during times of low volatility or slow markets. 9:30, we've got single bar divergence. The way I'm looking to trade this is once the candle closes, if some single bar divergence appears, which is this semi-transparent gold background that appears on the delta histogram. It's also possible to paint the candles themselves or just to outline. There's a few different options. So when the bar closes and I've got a divergence signal, I'm looking for a breakout above or below the single bar divergent candle. Here we get a breakout to the upside after the single bar divergent candle. We push up 50 points in 2 minutes. Here's our next divergent candle. On the next candle, we do not break higher or lower. Another minute later, we get the breakout of the single bar divergent candle. We get a 30-point drop back down to VWAP. This is an NQ 1-minute chart. This is the only chart that I'm looking at for single bar divergence. However, it will work on any time frame, any chart type. Next single bar divergence. Here's the candle. We get a break higher, over 15 points in a couple minutes. There's 3 trades, 3 winners already in the first 10 minutes. You could be done with your day. Another single bar divergent candle. It's also got a nice big wick with point of control drawn down into this wick, bouncing right off the 20 SMA. Definitely interested in a long if price breaks above this candle. And I'm usually looking for around 2 points on the NQ for it to break above or below. So if the high is 49.25, I'm looking for a break around 51.25. We get the break on the next candle. We make it up over 50 points in just a few minutes. See, on the next candle, we've got some strong bullish delta coming in. The XXX background is green. The Heiken Ashi candles are green. The candles are being painted by the MMT Heiken Ashi core. The background is being painted by the XXX. Next, single bar divergence. We've got a nice wick on this delta. Decent sized wick on the candle as well. And we're wicking right off of R2, the R2 pivot. We've got point of control drawn up into this wick. So if we take the break lower, we've got more than 10 points of room down to the 20 SMA. Another great scalping opportunity. Some single bar divergence right here. We never break a couple points lower. Another single bar divergence here. Here we break above the 20. Green background, green Heiken Ashi candles. Start getting some nice positive delta come in. We bounce back up to the R2 pivot. Another 20 points of potential scalpage there. And this is after 10:30. Usually not trading after that time. However, we do break lower, make it down over 15 points. So that's how I'm trading these single bar divergence signals. And of course, I'm always factoring in many other things. I've got about 20 different setups that I'm looking for that are just ingrained in my memory. Practice them over and over and over for years and years. It's just things that I look for by second nature, almost subconsciously. But I'm factoring in higher time frames, factoring in delta, factoring in macro and micro trends, looking at moving averages, I'm looking at key levels, I'm looking at VWAP, I'm looking at the point of control, I'm looking at volume profile. Later on in the afternoon session, after 3 p.m., we started getting some nice movements. See, there's some single bar divergence. Got the break lower, nice move down. Single bar divergence on this candle. Taking a break above. We pop up almost 20 points in a minute. And then we've got single bar divergence on this candle. And then we get the break lower. Even bigger push down. More single bar divergence. We break lower. Another nice push down. Single bar divergence. We don't get a break higher or lower. More single bar divergence. We get the break lower. Nice push down. Single bar divergence. This might have been the first losing trade of the day, but this is way after the time that I'm looking for trades personally. And if you're going to trade this during any time frame or trade this at all, you're going to want to do your own back testing and research as well, as with anything. A couple more single bar divergent candles here. Breaks above, nice push higher. So far, I'm liking what I see, trading the single bar divergence on the 1 minute candle with this style. Once again, there are links in the description if you're interested in checking out the ultimate delta. That's what is printing the single bar divergence. There's also links to all the prop firms that I'm trading with. If you use code MonkeyMan over at Apex or Take Profit Trader or Tradeify, you get the best price possible and you help support the work that I do on this channel. Apex has 80% off right now until February 5th. Tradeify has some great deals going on, including some $35 advanced accounts. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Best of luck in your trading. Have a great day.